starting your financial journey can feel overwhelming. Meet Momentum Banking. Momentum is a beginner-focused checking and savings suite with simple tools, low fees, and clear guidance to help you start. Intuitive app, step-by-step goals, and instant alerts. Clean dashboards and simple bullets make money easy. Transparent fees and automatic savings help beginners build balance steadily. Secure accounts, FDIC protection, and accessible support keep your funds safe. Open an account in minutes with a guided mobile setup. Set goals like emergency fund or first car and schedule automatic transfers on a timeline you choose, right from the app. Spending categories and instant notifications simplify your monthly budgeting. No hidden fees, clear limits, and branch support. Built-in learning modules and career resources help you grow financial confidence. Choose Fifth Third Momentum Banking. Visit fifththird.com or stop by a branch to get started.